Today we'll install a single post toilet roll holder in a way that is both quick and secure. Not only that, but we'll touch on basic placement and have a look at a better choice of wall anchor. For this project, of course, we'll need our toilet paper roll holder, some anchors for the wall, we'll talk about that, screwdrivers, pencil, drill, size may vary, we'll talk about that as we go, measuring tape, and a square or a level or a square level. And of course, the star of the show, toilet paper. Generally speaking, you want to place the toilet paper roll 26 inches from the floor at the center of the roll, and roughly 7 to 10 inches from the front nose of the toilet to the center of the roll. So I mark my 26 inches, the center line, and let's try 8, and just do a mock-up. So that would be my center out there. Seems pretty good. I'm just going to mark center of my base. So here were my lines where my base was. So now taking the back mounting plate, I'm going to center that, either eye it up or really get specific with a square level. And now I'm just going to mark where my drill holes will go. I like to give them a little punch. Your fixture probably came with anchors like this. So the first thing to do with those, throw them out. We're going to go with these plastic toggles. Now they're good for about 60 pounds each, so that gives us 120 pounds, which is plenty. You can actually get a different style of toggle that'll give you up to 200, 220 pounds, but really, let's be honest, if you need more than 120 pounds of pull force, the problem might not be your wall anchor. To demonstrate how these work, when you push in the center hole with the tool, it spreads the back wings until they lock flush with the drywall. It requires a strong, firm pressure, but be careful not to push too hard, or they can break. Be sure to match the toggle to the drywall thickness. Regular drywall is 1/2 inch, but if you have 5/8 or thicker drywall, be sure the toggle is meant for it. The package will likely even include the recommendation for your drill bit, and this is 5/16. I'm drilling the hole. Now if you hit a wood stud back there, just screw directly into the wood. We're going to use these plastic toggles. Fold the wings in. Tap that with a hammer. Now push on this. Don't hit this with the hammer, it'll break. Just push it with the butt of your hand. You have to be firm. Get a little weight behind it. Now we just screw in the mount plate. And you can see on the back here there's this little screw tip. And that gets tightened from underneath here. So this one is a flat head, but really try to get one that's an Allen key. It's a lot easier, a lot better, I think. Place it on top and then bottom. Eye it up level. And just tighten up. And the coup de grace. One final thought about the age-old debate: in or out? The idea is, I think technically it's supposed to be out. And the idea is that you want it to be accessible with touching the least amount of surfaces. So if it's out here, you don't have to touch as much, I guess. I don't know. You got to break it off, but still. Whereas back here, you can touch the wall with your fingers. Now there are dirty surfaces. Anyways, that's the theory. You do you. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to help out the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, or send me a little thanks through YouTube. Until next time. Thanks for watching. If you need more than 100 if you need more than 120 pounds of pull force, then I don't think toggle bolts are your biggest concern. The problem might not be your wall anchor. There's some kind of X-Men superpower going on there. If you need more than 100 if your toilet paper roll holder requires more than 120 pounds of pull force, then you might be interested to check out my toilet replacement video.